Good job. For coming back. Good job. Let's go. Get in, 5536. Come on. Get in. What happened out there? You guys are not late. You're super duper late. Come on, go in. Alright, we got 5508 here, guys. He is off of John Manua's birds. He's a Mussolini. Nice swing. He feels really good. He's been motivated. He's got a new girlfriend. And he's been doing good at the training tosses. I think he's gonna be my board bird on tomorrow's race. Do good, buddy. Do good. I got my 5628. In fact, he is my South Section champion bird, old birds in 2022. He hadn't raced all that great as a young bird, but then as a yearling, he was the South Section champion bird. But this year, he's not really doing all that much. But he's going only on to 200 miles, so we'll see how he does. But he too feels good. They're not too heavy at all. They feel good in the hand. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you're gonna be doing good tomorrow. All right, let's see. All right, next up is 1544. He's got some Jen Harden blood. He did good for me at the Hudson County race in 2022. He was also first place at a one bird derby race. I don't recall right now which one it was, but he did good at 350 miles. So tomorrow is only 200, buddy, but you gotta make it count. All right, next up, guys, is 1545. He is F Wolverine, F Joe Alaka. He is a bigger bird, but even though he's big, he doesn't feel heavy at all. Feels good. And let's see how he does. So it's 4 cocks so far. Next up is Van den Potch. Come on, buddy, come here. Come here. This guy here was South Section 250 mile. I want to say it was a 250, either 200 or 250. South Section winner as a young bird in 2022. And he's obviously, as the name, Van den Potch. And he's a smaller bird. But we'll see how he does tomorrow. It feels good. It's 5 cocks. Next up is 5536. She's my South Section champion bird, young birds 2021. And she's going to be my only hen flying or racing hopefully racing on Sunday. So we'll see how she does. Feels good. Do good, girl. You gonna do good? I hope so. And that's it. 6 birds going to the 200-mile race, guys. Welcome back to Midas Loft. Silvio here. We are looking at some of my young birds. And I got this guy here who came back today. He's been gone for 2 days. 2 days ago I had a hawk attack. I had a bunch fly off and didn't return. Got some yesterday. Got this guy today so far. But I'm still missing a bunch. Freaking hawks, man, I'm telling you. Anyway. Today is race number 4 of Old Birds 2024, guys. I do have 6 birds on the race. It's 216 miles to me. And let's hope they do good. Stand by. It's 11 o'clock. I just took a peek at Denzel Loft's live. He's in the same club as I am. You can check out his lives on YouTube as well. And no birds yet. The wind, it's a little bit east, feels like it, but very calm. Not to make a big difference. But excited to see them coming, guys. Stand by. So guys, it's 11:30. Bunch of people have clocked on Benzing Live. I think the fastest bird has done 1466 yards per minute, at least on the Benzing. I'm at 1400 yards per minute right now, but no bird yet. So, well, hopefully we got a bird soon, guys. Let's see how they do. So here at this point, I think it's past 11:45. I should have had birds by now, and I didn't. So I'm feeling pretty distressed at this time. Good job, 1545. Good job, buddy. Super late, but great job. You're my number 1. Go inside, come on. Go in. Where are your friends? All of you guys are late, man. What happened out there? Look at all that energy left. You didn't give it 100%, did you? Oh. Good job, buddy. 1545. Where are your friends at, man? Really? Was it that tough for you? Well, it must be tougher for them because they're not here yet, but you are. Good job. You're my number 1, buddy. Well, at this point it was past 12:30 and it was pretty hot, and I felt like having a refreshment. Good job for coming back. Good job. Let's go. Get in, 5536. Come on. Get in. What happened out there? You guys are not late. You're super duper late. Come on, go in. Come on, go. Come on. Let's go, girl. Come on. Come on, let's go. Good job. What happened? What a tough race for you guys. Man. Good job. You're home. You're safe. Yeah, victory lap there, 15:45, but you were late too. You're only 42 minutes past 15:45. Good job, 5536. I'm happy to have you back. All right, guys, it's 12:02. I'm sorry, 1:02. 1:03 now. And I only got 2 birds out of 6, guys. Yeah, not a good race for me, but it is what it is. I gotta run to the club, and I'm just gonna open this so the other birds can come in. And yeah, I know we did terrible, but it is what it is. So I'll share the results here in a bit. Okay, guys, so I'm back from the club. Looks like I got all my 6 birds back. Only the 2 on the clock, but you know, in time for the count. But yeah, at least I got all the birds back. That's the plus. But man, the performance. I don't know what happened to them, but they didn't have a good race. So only 15:44 over there playing with his girlfriend. I'm sorry, 15:45. They're decent. The best we did was him on the top 20% of the club. I'll show you the results here in a second. But seems like John and Kevin in my club didn't seem to have had a problem, so I don't know. So, but hey, it's Pigeon Racing. Anything can happen. Hopefully, we'll do better on the next one. So here's the results. We had John Manuez again in first. Congratulations, John. His fastest bird came in at 1383 yards per minute. And he also took second. Congratulations, Kevin, for third. John again 4, 5, 6. Kevin again 7th. John, Kevin, and then my bird came in 10th spot there. So 1 bird in the top 20%. And then I know Denza also had a tough time, but I think his birds are molting, so that you know, explains it. But I don't really have much of an explanation for mine. But I'm proud of them nonetheless. They're all home. That's it, guys. Let's see if we can get these birds to do a little bit better on the longer distances now. We're going to 250 next week. And then, yeah, it keeps on going up. So hopefully they keep up. So besides the 6 that raced today, I have 2 other ones that I kept back. They just had eggs recently, the 2 hens. And then my block cock, during a training, he must have gotten snatched by a hawk, and he only has but 2 tail feathers, so he's done. Maybe we'll see. Yeah, he's done. But all right, guys, fly him with purpose. Take care. Bye bye.